this won't affect the medium tyres, and I think that's why, with these higher temperatures from the weekend, we have gone with the mediums for the men at the front. Pete Bienet of KTM Motorsport, the director, patiently watching on for what could be the biggest day of KTM's MotoGP return, and Paul Espargaro was delighted after qualifying. It doesn't get any better than that for KTM. Turn 11, a cracking place to watch from, and one of the key acceleration points for the race. Well, you don't even need a graphic to tell you who's been winning since 2013, but will his luck remain? He has been synonymous with this Captain America, and it's not just here in Austin. Before that, he was winning at Indianapolis, and before that, at Laguna Seca. He has an incredible record, 7 pole positions, but now can he take it to 7th heaven and win again in front of this huge crowd here at GrandPrix? Will be in race direction. The American greats watch on. Here's how the championship stands at the moment. Marquez leads by just 4 points. Doby is second, Rossi a close third at the moment. Coming to the line, talking of world champions, I will be joined by one in the commentary booth to witness this historical day. Joining me once again for the start of MotoGP 2019, Kevin Schwantz. Green flag waves at the back. Marquez just makes a slight adjustment from pole position on your left-hand side. Valet's in the middle. Cal Crutchlow looking for an inside move. And go right, away they go. Good start from Crutchlow, but a good start from the front row. Here comes Rossi. Crutchlow's got the advantage. It's a drag race to the top, and Marquez outbreaks them all into the lead. Rossi second, as they all dive through a very clean start here for the Grand Prix. And Kevin, I don't think I've seen a cleaner start than that.
Red's maintained his position quite well too. I think he's either 5th or 6th.
Good start from both Crutchlow, but Marquez, you just saw it there, late as you like on the brakes. Beautifully done, a little bit of a wobble there for the 42, but he's okay. So, good clean start, and Rossi goes in pursuit immediately of Marquez. We hear that all the top men are on the medium, both rear and front tyre.
Different from what they ran this morning. A lot of guys tried softs, I think, just to see how they would last. And the temperature difference was so much cooler this morning, so probably a wise choice to go mediums. Nobody went hard?
Nope. And interestingly enough, all of the top men, literally the first 3 rows, including Doby on the 3rd row, all on medium tyres, just a few changes on the front tyre at the back. But it's Marquez down the back straight for the first time, Rossi in pursuit.
Hard on the brakes into 12, Rossi taking up just a little bit of ground you did on the brakes.
Okay, Caddy Island, get on your feet, because Doby has moved right up the field. Doby in the top 6 already before the first lap completed. A superb lap behind the man who started 13th. He may well be a factor if he keeps this up.
Miller right there on the back of the race.
To go for podium, if not the win.
Rossi, a little tighter line there on the exit of 17 and finished the corner there at 18. He's closed the gap back on Marquez just a little bit.
Coming to complete the first lap then, it's Marquez who